Hello friends, welcome to Shru's Kitchen. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and click on notification bell to get notified with all my new healthy and tasty recipe. If you like my video, please give thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Today's recipe is ghee rice and kurma. It is one of the most favorite breakfast of India. First, let's see the ingredients needed to prepare ghee rice. 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds called as somp, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3 star anise called as star somp, 3 kapok buds called as Marathi moggu, 3 clove called as lavanga, and 1 inch of cinnamon called as dalchini. Ghee, salt and oil. 2 cups of washed rice. The ingredients needed for kurma are vegetables of your choice. Here I have taken 1 chopped carrot, 1 chopped potato, 1 chopped coyote called as sime badnekai, 1 chopped kohlrabi called as gedde kosu, 10 to 12 chopped beans, and 1 cup dry green peas soaked in water overnight. If you have fresh green peas, you can use it directly, no need of soaking. 1 cup grated coconut and 1 cup roasted Bengal gram called as hurgadle. 1 inch ginger, 7 to 8 pieces of garlic, 5 to 6 peppercorns, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 roughly chopped tomato, 1 roughly chopped onion, and star, cinnamon, kapok buds, clove and cardamom 2 pieces each. 1 finely chopped onion to make brown roasted onion flakes and half cup chopped coriander leaves. 1 tablespoon garam masala and half tablespoon chili powder. Salt to taste and oil. First, let's see the preparation of ghee rice. Keep cooker on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of ghee and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it is heated, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds and ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Add star, kapok buds, cinnamon and clove. Mix it well. Let it fry for a minute. Now add washed rice into the cooker. Give a nice mix for a minute. Add garam masala. Mix it well. Add salt to taste. Let it fry for 2 minutes. Now add exactly 1:2 water into the cooker. I have taken 2 cups of rice, so I have added 4 cups of water. Now close the cooker and take 2 whistles. Keep pan on the stove and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and add finely chopped onions into the oil. Fry the onions until it turns brown. Now switch off the stove. After 2 whistles, allow the cooker to cool down and then open the cooker. Add brown onion flakes to the ghee rice and add chopped coriander leaves to the ghee rice. If you want, you can also add fried cashew into the ghee rice. Give a nice mix. Ghee rice is ready. Now let's go to the preparation of kurma. Take a blender and add 1 roughly chopped onion. Add 1 roughly chopped tomato, ginger, garlic, peppercorns, cumin seeds, star, clove, kapok buds, cinnamon and cardamom. Add 1 cup dry roasted Bengal gram and 1 cup grated coconut. Blend it into a smooth paste. Keep cooker on the stove and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is heated, add the blended masala into the oil and let it fry for 3 or 4 minutes. Keep stirring it. Since all the masalas which we have used is raw, it should be cooked well for 3 or 4 minutes. Now add all chopped vegetables into the masala. Add 2 glasses of water. Add 1 tablespoon garam masala and half tablespoon chili powder. Mix it well in the masala. Add salt to taste. Once it starts boiling, close the cooker lid and take 3 whistles. Open the cooker once it cools down. Mix it well, and if you want kurma to be more spicy, you can add required chili powder and garam masala now and boil it for a minute. Serve ghee rice with kurma. This recipe comes out really tasty. Please do try this at your home and let me know how was the taste in the comment section. If you like my video, please give thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and click on notification bell. Thank you for watching.